Hey, welcome back. I'm Chris Chase with the Western Flyer Foundation. In this video, I'm just going to spend a couple of weeks following Lachlan around while he cuts out the new stem for the Flyer. He started right after they finished the reframing in early August with a 10-inch by 18-inch by 18-foot piece of Purple Heart that weighed about 1,500 pounds. He patterned the old space and he transferred that information, the rabbet, the cutwater, the outside profile, to that new timber. And using a combination of chainsaws, chisels, broad axes, and that little chainsaw wheel on a grinder, he got the entire thing shaped out, just about 2 weeks worth of hard work. And they lowered it into place with Pete Rust and Ryan helping that Thursday right before the recent Wooden Boat Festival. Last weekend was the 43rd Wooden Boat Festival here in Port Townsend. And before we get too far into the video, I thought we'd just take a walk around and see what it looked like. If you've never been to a festival here in Port Townsend, I highly recommend you put it on your list. It's the second weekend in September every year. Once the old stem was removed, Lachlan could set up his pattern and recorded the needed information to cut out the new stem.
Have you cut your side? Have you started cutting your side? And then just try and pry this off. Because that way we can then pull out the nails. And if we want to...
Once Lachlan felt comfortable that he had recorded all the needed information off the boat onto his pattern, he could take the pattern down off the boat and start transferring that information down to the new Purple Heart timber. He'll transfer the outside profile of the stem and all three lines that make up the rabbet, the back rabbet, and the bearding line.
Difficult to carve. once we got it up there, we got to strap around the
I was trying to think of ratchet strap.
After about 2 weeks of work, they were able to lift the stem into place using the overhead crane and an outside forklift.
Have some whiskey for that.
Hey, thanks for taking the time to watch the video. I really enjoy making these videos and sharing the project. And if you enjoy watching them, why don't you consider subscribing? And if you're looking for a little update in between each video, remember to check out Chase Boat Builder on Instagram or our website at westernflyer.org. Thanks again.
White every day I go out in my boat.